Let's learn English together and have some fun.
Hello, hello, hello! Welcome to English with Alfred and Lumi. I'm Alfred.
And I'm Lumi. Hi, everyone. We are so happy you are here today.
Yes, thank you for listening. Today's topic is very useful. Very, very useful.
Today, we are talking about self-introduction. How to introduce yourself in English.
That's right. How to tell people about you. Your name, where you are from, what you do, things like that.
This is a topic everyone needs. Maybe you are in a new English class. Maybe you have a new job. Maybe you meet someone new at a party.
Or maybe someone says, "Tell me about yourself." Oh, that question can feel scary.
It can, but don't worry. After today, you will have the words. You will be ready.
So stay with us, listen carefully, and practice with us, okay?
And before we start, if you like this podcast, please subscribe and leave a review. It really helps us a lot.
Yes, one little click and you help other learners find us too. Thank you. Okay, Lumi, let's begin.
Okay, the very first thing in a self-introduction, the greeting, you need to say hello.
Right. Before you say your name, before anything, you say hello. The greeting comes first.
Let's start with formal greetings. These are for work, school, or important situations.
Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening.
Hello is perfect for almost any situation, formal or informal. You can always use it.
Good morning is for the morning. Good afternoon is for the afternoon. Good evening is for the evening. Simple, right?
But be careful, don't say good night as a greeting. Good night means goodbye. You say it when you leave.
That's a great point, Alfred. So if it's 8 p.m. and you meet someone, you say good evening, not good night.
Exactly. Now, what about informal greetings? When you're with friends, when it's relaxed.
Hi. Hey.
And what's up? This is very informal. It means how are you or what's happening. You might hear this from young people especially.
The important thing is, choose a greeting you feel comfortable with. If hi feels good, use hi. If hello feels more natural, use hello.
Don't force it. Make it yours. Practice saying a greeting out loud right now. Try hello or hi. Go ahead.
Did you do it? Great job.
Okay, step 2. After you say hello, you say your name.
This is very important. People want to know your name. Let's look at some ways to do this. I'm Alfred. My name is Alfred. The easiest way, I'm Alfred. Short, clear, done.
Or you can say, my name is Lumi. This is a little more formal, good for work or school.
Both are correct. Both are great. Let me give you a small example. Imagine you are in a new English class. The teacher says, "Please introduce yourself."
You stand up and say, hi everyone, my name is Lumi. Easy.
Or, "Hello, I'm Alfred. Nice to meet you." See? Very natural. Nice to meet you.
Oh, that's a great phrase. Nice to meet you. Use this when you meet someone for the first time.
You can also say, "Nice to meet you all," if you are talking to a group of people.
Let's hear a short example conversation.
"Hello, I'm Alfred. Nice to meet you."
Hi, Alfred. My name is Lumi. Nice to meet you too.
See how easy that is? Let's try it again. But this time, you say your name. Ready? Pause the podcast. Say, "Hi, my name is nice to meet you." Use your name.
Amazing. You're doing great. You're improving already.
Now let's add more information. After your name, you can say where you are from.
This is something people always want to know. Where are you from? It's one of the most common questions.
Very simple. I'm from Japan. I'm from Brazil. I'm from Paris.
You can say a country name or a city name, or both.
For example, I'm from Seoul, South Korea.
You can also use a nationality word. I'm Japanese. I'm Brazilian. I'm French.
Both are correct. I'm from France and I'm French. Same idea.
Now, what if you were born in one place, but you live in a different place now?
Good question. You can say, I'm from Mexico, but I live in Canada now.
Or, I'm originally from Tokyo, but I'm living in London now.
Originally from means that is where I am from first. That is my hometown.
Let's hear another example conversation. Hi, I'm Lumi. I'm from Finland. Where are you from?
Hey, Lumi. I'm Alfred. I'm from Toronto, Canada, but I live in New York now.
Oh, nice. New York is exciting.
It is. I love it here.
Okay, your turn. Practice. Say, I'm from. Say your country or city out loud. Well done.
You now have 3 pieces: a greeting, your name, and where you're from. That's already a real introduction.
Now let's talk about what you do, your job, or your studies.
This is very useful, especially at work events, job interviews, or new classes.
I work as a teacher. I work as a nurse. I work as an engineer.
If you want to say the company, I work at Samsung. I work at a hospital.
You can also say the general area. I work in sales. I work in marketing. I work in education.
Let me give you a tip. Listen carefully to the prepositions, the small words.
Yes, work as a plus job title. Work at plus company name. Work in plus general area. These small words are important.
Don't say I work in Google. Say I work at Google, okay?
Good. Now, what if you're a student?
I'm a student. Simple and clear.
You can add more. I'm a university student. I'm studying business. I'm studying English.
What if you already finished school? You can say I have a degree in marketing. Or more casually, I studied marketing.
Let's put it all together in a little conversation.
Hello, my name is Alfred. I'm from Canada. I work as a podcast host.
Hi, Alfred. I'm Lumi. I'm from Finland. I'm studying English education at university.
Oh, that's great. Nice to meet you, Lumi.
Nice to meet you too.
See? It flows naturally. Greeting, name, location, job, or studies.
It's like building blocks. You add one piece at a time. Practice. Now say, I work as a, or I'm a student. I'm studying. Try it.
Awesome. You are building a great introduction.
Okay, now let's make your introduction more personal. Let's talk about hobbies and family.
This is the fun part. This is where people start to know the real you.
I like cooking. I enjoy reading. I like playing football.
A really nice phrase is, I'm a big fan of. For example, I'm a big fan of music. I'm a big fan of hiking.
It sounds very natural. Native speakers use it a lot.
What about family? Sometimes you want to tell people about your family.
I have 1 brother and 2 sisters. Simple.
Here's one common mistake. Many learners say, we are 5 in my family. But in English, we say, I'm from a family of 5, or we are a family of 5.
That's really helpful, Alfred. I hear that mistake a lot, too.
And if you have no brothers or sisters, you can say, I'm an only child.
Let's hear how it sounds in a conversation. So, Alfred, what do you like to do for fun?
Well, I'm a big fan of cooking. I make pasta every weekend, and I enjoy watching movies. How about you?
I like running, and I enjoy painting. Oh, and I'm from a family of 4. I have 1 younger sister.
That's nice. I'm an only child, actually.
Really? That's interesting. Now it's your turn. Say, I like, or I'm a big fan of. Think of your hobby.
Great. Your introduction is getting more and more interesting now.
Let's talk about 2 more things, your age and a fun fact.
Now, you don't always need to say your age. It's totally optional, but it's good to know how.
I'm 25 years old, or just I'm 25. Both are fine.
If you don't want to say the exact number, you can say, I'm in my mid-20s, or I'm in my early 30s.
Early means 21, 22, 23. Mid means 24, 25, 26. Late means 27, 28, 29. For the 20s, for example.
Very useful. Now, the fun fact.
Oh yes, sometimes a teacher or a speaker will say, tell us a fun fact about yourself.
This can feel scary, but it doesn't have to be amazing. Just something a little interesting or different.
It can be simple. A fun fact about me is I have a cat named Mochi, or I can cook 10 different pasta dishes.
Or, a fun fact about me is I've been to 12 countries. Or even,
I'm afraid of butterflies.
That is a fun fact. The best tip is have one fun fact ready. Think about it before you need it.
Exactly. Prepare it. Practice it. Then when someone asks, you're ready. Now think of one fun fact about you. Say it out loud. A fun fact about me is... Love it. You're doing so well.
All right, now let's put everything together into one smooth introduction.
First, let me try. Then, Alfred, it's your turn. Hi, everyone. My name is Lumi. I'm 20 years old, and I'm from Helsinki, Finland. I'm studying English education at university. I like running and painting, and I'm a big fan of Korean food. A fun fact about me is I have visited every country in Scandinavia.
That was great, Lumi. Very natural, very clear. Okay, my turn. Hello, I'm Alfred. I'm in my early 30s, and I'm originally from Toronto, Canada, but I live in New York now. I work as a podcast host, and I'm a big fan of cooking. My quick breakfast every morning is a banana and coffee. A fun fact about me, I can say hello in 15 different languages.
Wow, I love that fun fact. Okay, listeners, now it's your turn. Now, let's pause the podcast. Use everything you learned. Say your full introduction out loud. Take your time. You can do this.
How did it go? I'm sure it was wonderful.
Don't worry if it wasn't perfect. Practice makes progress. Say it again tomorrow and the next day. Every time it gets easier.
Let's do a quick recap. What did we learn today?
Number 1, start with a greeting. Hello or hi.
Number 2, say your name. I'm Alfred, or my name is Alfred.
Number 3, say where you're from. I'm from Finland.
Number 4, talk about your job or studies. I work as a teacher, or I'm a student.
Number 5, share a hobby. I like cooking, or I'm a big fan of running.
Number 6, optionally, say your age and share a fun fact.
And remember to put it all together in smooth sentences, not one short sentence after another.
You can connect your ideas with and but. For example, I'm from Tokyo and I work as a designer.
Beautiful. Now, before we go, we have a question for you, our listeners.
Here it is. We want to know about you.
Write your introduction in the comments. Use what we learned today. We want to hear about you.
We will read them, and we might even share some in our next episode.
Also, a bonus question, what's the first thing you do in the morning? For me, I drink a big glass of water.
For me, I eat a banana. My quick breakfast is always a banana. Tell us yours.
Thank you so much for listening today. You did a wonderful job.
We are so proud of you for practicing your English. Keep going. You are improving every day.
Don't forget to subscribe, leave a review, and share this episode with a friend who is learning English.
We will see you next time. Bye, everyone.
Bye-bye. Keep practicing. You've got this, and I will see you in the next one.